What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are taking a quick look at Dogecoin here, and as you can see, it looks as though we have come down to the bottom of this small range that we have formed here. You can see very clearly the low and the high being formed. We got the low here, and then we did get the overextension of this little range up to this high. This previous level of support flipped into resistance. We did highlight as being a key level, and then obviously getting a bit of a rollover here back down to the bottom of the range. We get a small bounce, but obviously with the altcoin market looking quite bearish over the past few days, we've come down to that level of support yet again, and looking like we are testing it as support in this area. If we just take a quick look at the chart on the hourly time frame, you can see what's happened. We obviously came up here back inside the range, tested as resistance, come all the way down, make our way down to the bottom of the range here, get a bit of support, get a double bottom back test in this area. You know, we get a bit of relief off the bottom. This is where we put our long in. And as you can see, we did come up into this area of structure here. We could have potentially closed the long here in profit and took the profits and ran with it, but we hung on to this thinking, you know, it would probably come up a little bit higher, up at least, you know, halfway, you would say, up into this area here where there is a fair amount of structure that does need to be retested in the range. But as you can see, looking like, you know, we came back down here retesting that previous level of resistance that we've broken out of as support, and you'd think here you'd probably get a bounce to the upside, but obviously with the altcoin market looking very bearish, we did get this rollover back down to the low here, a little bit of an overextension, and now looking like, you know, potentially this could be a wider double bottom, looking something like this, where you will get, you know, your pickup and probably coming up hopefully towards our target now on our long. But you know, with the altcoin market looking quite bearish over the past few days, you could expect that maybe Dogecoin would come down here and maybe take out this low of the range and come down to the next level of support, which would realistically be down here, wouldn't it, at around 6.5 cents. We're currently sitting at around 7.1 cents, and we do have, you know, this swing high area, something like this, that would be your next level of support if we broke through this low. We have tested this low quite a few times now, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and you could predict that maybe the low might be retested again and lost if we do see a bearish push in the market over this holiday period. So it'd be interesting to see what happens next, but we are still expecting Dogecoin, in our opinion, to have a bounce. But realistically, looking at what the markets are doing, you have to think that maybe we could see ourselves push lower depending on what the wider altcoin market does. So that would be our analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.